Announcing the arrival and the presence of our Municipal Administrator, Sir Edgar P. Lacandazo. Welcome po and good evening. Good evening. In a few minutes, we will start the processional of our outstanding student, the Brooks Point 2025 awarding ceremony. May I call on everyone to please proceed. And may I ask the committee to assess the awardees, the teachers, principal, guests, our public officials, and visitors. Thank you. Good evening, Municipality of Brooks Point, and welcome to 10 Outstanding Student of Brooks Point Awarding Ceremony this April 19, 2025 at Maruyog Ridge, Brooks Point, Palawan. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we will witness the processional of our guests, visitors, public officials, 10 Outstanding Student Awardee for Junior High School and Senior High School, together with the runner-ups, and the school principal, school administrator, faculty staff, and also our distinguished Board of Judges, the Evaluation and Selection Committee, panel of the Board of Judges and tabulator, our guests from Office of the Municipal Mayor, and also our Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Mayor, and to our Community Affairs staff. Ladies and gentlemen, we will begin the processional with the Sacred Heart of Jesus High School of Palawan Incorporated, with their principal, Sister Christine Ignacio. And also the awardees and parents from Sacred Heart of Jesus High School. And now let's welcome the Maasin National High School. Together, Maasin National High School headed by their principal, Ma'am Lovelyn S. Talan. Thank you, Maasin National High School. And now let's welcome the awardees of the 10 Outstanding Student of Brooks Point from Vito Pichonco Memorial National High School, headed by the principal, Ma'am Leia S. Nunez. And also let's welcome the awardees from the Mollis National High School, headed by the principal, Sir Rene R. Nunez. Thank you, Mollis National High School. And now let's welcome the awardees from the Governor Alfredo Abreg Sr. National Technology and Vocational Memorial High School, together with the principal, Sir J. M. Asporias. Nire-request po namin yung nasa table po natin kung maaari ay nakatayo po tayo. Thank you so much po. Nare-request din po natin ang ating po mga school principal at mga teachers po na mayroon po tayong naka-occupied na mga upuan dito po sa loob ng ating hall. Thank you so much, Governor Alfredo Abeg Sr., National Technology and Vocational Memorial High School. And now, let's proceed to the awardee from the Ipilan National High School together with their principal, Ma'am Leia Rondael. Thank you, Ipilan National High School. And now let's proceed to our next. Let us all welcome the awardees from the Wenceslao Villapa National High School together with the principal, Sir Jumer V. Solidaga. And now let's welcome the awardees from the Brooks Point National High School together with the principal, Sir Alfredo D. Labor. The representative, Sir Attorney Alpa. Good evening po. Let's proceed to Inil Utaha National High School together with the principal, Ma'am Norelsa T. Paculdas. And now let's welcome the awardees from the Southern Palawan Christian Academy together with her principal, Miss Anami M. Karandang, with the school administrator, Ma'am Deborah Faith Malakaw. Let us all welcome the Selection and Evaluation Committee, the panel of the Board of Judges and Tabulator, beginning with Ma'am Tadea Espanola, Attorney Magna Asis, Sir Christian Cairo del Castillo, to our Selection and Evaluation Committee, we have Sir Darius Redondo, Doctora Abigail Macaranas, our Municipal Treasurer, Ma'am Emma S. Tabangay, and the tabulator of this year's Outstanding Student of Brooks Point, we have our Community Affairs Officer 3, we have Ma'am Jennifer B. Abaygar, and we have Mr. Darwin O. Calon. And let us welcome our guests from the Office of the Municipal Mayor, Admin Assistant 4. We have Ma'am Mary Jane B. Cuarte, and the Private Secretary of our Municipal Mayor, we have Mr. Roden Paas, and the Executive Secretary of our Mayor, Mr. Bernardo Abingosa. Also our guest speaker, our Municipal Administrator, Mr. Edgar P. Lacandazo. And it is all welcome our official host for this year, 2025 Award Outstanding Student Awarding Ceremony. We have a graduate of that currently a fourth-year student of Palawan State University, taking a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Filipino. And also a proud scholar ng bayan, we have Mr. Maurilio Pelnido Jr. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome the awardees from Vito Pichanco Memorial National High School, headed by their principal, Ma'am Leia S. Nunez. Thank you so much, and you may now be seated.
All right, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The moment that we are waiting for is about to begin. This time intends to acknowledge and recognize the efforts, perseverance, and hard works being initiated by the exceptional students of the municipality of Brooks Point, Palawan. So in the spirit of gratitude and celebration, welcome to the awarding night for 10 outstanding students of Brooks Point year of 2025 here at the Maroyog Ridge and Resort. And as we go on to the official commencement of this event, I would like first to acknowledge the presence of our Municipal Mayor of Brooks Point, Palawan. Bigyan po natin ng masigabong palakpakan, Honorable Cesario June Benedito Jr. Along with our Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Attorney Mary Jane de Los Angeles Feliciano. And also our Sangguniang Bayan members na nandito po ngayong gabi, and the participating schools. All right, the participating schools coming from, okay, pag binanggit ko po ang pangalan, kindly make applause or a shout or a noise coming from the Sacred Heart of Jesus High School. Nasaan po ang Sacred Heart of Jesus High School? All right, and also we have the Maasin National High School. All right, and we have also for tonight the Vito Pichanco Memorial National High School. And also we have for tonight the Malis National High School. And how about the Governor Alfredo National High School? Ayan, talagang nandito sila ngayong gabi. And how about the Ipilan National High School? Ayan, and also we have for tonight the Wenceslao Villapa National High School. And also we have here for tonight the Emilio Taha National High School. Nasaan po ang Emilio Taha? Ayan, thank you so much. And also we have here for tonight for the awarding ceremony, we have the Brooks Point National High School. And also we have here the Southern Palawan Christian Academy. And also we have here for tonight again, and also the Samariñana National High School. Nandito po ang Samariñana National High School. Okay, nasa biyahe po po. And also, I would like to acknowledge the presence of and the effort of our Community Affairs and Office headed by Mr. Ireneo Maestre Campo III. Magandang gabi po at maraming salamat sa inyong effort at dedication to conduct this kind of event. And before we begin with our event tonight, let us take a moment to invoke divine guidance and blessings. It is our pleasure to play a sacred music that leads us in our opening prayer, and to be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem to be conducted by Binibining Florian Jane de la Torre, CAO Administrator. Again, may I request everyone to please stand for the opening prayer. Please remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem. All right, thank you so much. You may now be seated. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is our great pleasure to welcome Ma'am Jen Bumakot to share some welcoming remarks with us tonight. She has been an instrumental in making this event possible, and we are honored to have her set the tone for our gathering. Please join me in giving a warm welcome to Ma'am Jen Bumakot as she extends a warm greeting to all of us.
Good evening, everyone. It is my distinct pleasure to welcome our Municipal Mayor, even though wala pa po sila, Honorable Mayor Cesario Arbenitito, our Municipal Vice Mayor, Attorney Mary Jean D. Feliciano, our Municipal Administrator, Sir Edgar P. Lacandaso, our guests, visitors, proud parents, principals, and teacher to this special occasion. A celebration for these 10 most outstanding students of Brooks Point for their academic excellence and achievements. Tonight, we gather not just to acknowledge the dedication and hard work of our students, but also to celebrate the remarkable journey that brought us here tonight. This gathering is a testament to the pursuit of knowledge and the unwavering commitment to excellence and defines our schools. We are here to honor the 10 exceptional students, individuals who have not only excelled academically, but also demonstrated leadership, integrity, and the genuine passion for learning. All as this student embark on the next chapter of their journey, we are filled in hope and optimism by their achievement, serve as an inspiration to all, reminding us that with hard work, dedication, and passion for learning, we can achieve great things. Thank you all for joining us in this celebration of 10 most outstanding students of Brooks Point for their excellence and achievement. May we continue our support our students in their pursuit of knowledge and success. Tonight, let us begin the awarding ceremony and honor of a truly most outstanding student of Brooks Point. Once again, good evening. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much, Ma'am Jen Bumakod, the event organizer for the awarding night of 10 outstanding students of Brooks Point 2025. And as we proceed to the next part of this event, I would like to acknowledge the presence here tonight, our Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable Attorney Mary Jane D. Feliciano. Ayan, magandang gabi po, Vice. And now, it is our great pleasure to introduce the esteemed guest who will be sharing his insights and expertise with us tonight. Now, please join me in welcoming Binibining Geraldine E. Danyo to take the stage and introduce our distinguished guest speaker. A round of applause, please.
Isang mapagpalang gabi sa ating lahat. Isang karangalan po na ipakilala sa inyong lahat ang ating pangunahing tagapagsalita. Ang ating pangunahing tagapagsalita ay nagtapos ng elementarya sa Brooks Point Central School at sekundarya naman sa Sacred Heart of Jesus High School. Nakamit niya ang kanyang degree sa kolehiyo sa lungsod ng Makati sa kursong Bachelor of Science and Computer Science. Bilang isang lingkod bayan, siya ay nagsilbi bilang konsihal ng ating bayan sa loob ng 3 termino. At siya ay nagsisilbi bilang ating kasalukuyang municipal administrator. Siya rin ang may akda ng 10 outstanding student of Brooks Point. Pasalubungan po natin ng masigabong palakpakan ang ating pangunahing tagapagsalita, Ginoong Edgar P. Lacandazo.
Salamat. Kanina po, noong ipinakilala yung ating punong tagapagpakilala, hindi ko po malilimutan, siya po ay major in Filipino. Kaya lamang po, nung siya ay magsalita na English, ay yung aking mensahe ay Tagalog na Tagalog. Ano po? At sinundan po iyan ng nag-welcome remarks. Nako, English na naman. Anyway, ang aking pong mensahe sa inyo ay aking ipapaabot sa pamamagitan ng Tagalog na Tagalog sapagkat upang higit pong maintindihan ng lahat at pangalawa po, ako po talaga ay medyo magaling sa Tagalog. Ano po? Una po, ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa tanggapan ng Community Affairs Office sa pangunguna ni Ginoong Ireneo Maestre Campo sa pagpili at pagbibigay po sa akin ng pagkakataon para inyo pong maging pangunahing tagapagsalita. Ito po ay isang napakaling karangalan para sa akin. Maraming salamat po. Kagalang-galang na punong bayan Cesario Benedito Jr., na kinakatawan po ng aking mga kasama sa tanggapan ng Punong Bayan, Binibining Mary Jane Cuarte at Ginoong Ton Abingosa. Kagalang-galang na pangalawang Punong Bayan, Attorney Mary Jane D. Feliciano, magandang gabi po. Mga punong guro mula sa iba't ibang paaralan, mga guro mula sa iba't ibang paaralan, mga magulang, mga bisita, kapwa ko kawani ng pamahalaan, ginang at ginoo, magandang gabi po para sa inyong lahat. Isa muna pong masigabong palakpakan para hudyat ng ating tagumpay. Ako po ay may kahilingan, maiksi lamang naman po yung aking mensahe at alam kong ito po ay ngayon nyo lamang mapapakinggan. Kung maaari po, wala muna pang kukwentuhan, wala munang magse-cellphone, dahil napaka-iksi lamang naman po nito. Pagkatapos po nun, pwede na po kayong magkwentuhan, pwede na pong mag-cellphone. Pwede po ba? Mahina. Pwede po? Maraming salamat po. Una po sa lahat, isang pasasalamat sa lokal na pamahalaan sa pangunguna ng kagalang-galang Cesario Benedito Jr. at ng buong Sangguniang Bayan sa pangunguna ng kagalang-galang Vice Mayor Attorney Mary Jane D. Feliciano sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa isang napakagandang programang tulad nito. Daan upang hikayatin ang ating mag-aaral upang higit na magsumikap at maipakita ang kani-kanilang angking talino, husay at galing. Sa mga guro at paaralan, pasasalamat bilang katuwang ng pamahalaan sa pagtataguyod ng edukasyon at kaalaman. Pasasalamat sa paghubog sa mga mag-aaral na ito upang maging angkop at karapat-dapat na gawaran ng parangal. Sa mga magulang at kapamilya, pasasalamat sa walang sawang pagkalinga, pagmamahal at patuloy na paggabay sa kabila ng iba't ibang hamon ng buhay, buong tapang at sigasig ninyong itinaguyod ang kanilang pag-aaral. Sa lahat ng mga mag-aaral na tatanggap ng parangal ngayong gabi, taus-pusong paghanga at papuri sa inyong pagpapakita ng galing, talino at angking kakayahan, higit sa lahat sa inyong pagiging mabuting mag-aaral. Higit 100 taon ang nakalipas ng manawagan ang ating bayaning si Dr. Jose Rizal sa kanyang pagkauhaw sa mga kabataang mayroong pangarap at pagpapahalaga para sa ikauunlad at ikabubuti ng bayan. Nasaan ang mga kabataang handang mag-alay ng kanilang mga sandali, ng kanilang mga pangarap, ng kanilang kasiglahan, alang-alang sa ikabubuti ng bayan? Hinihintay namin kayo. Sa tuwing uusbong ang mga mag-aaral na tulad ninyo, tila ba ating naiisip na ito na ang kasagutan sa kanyang panawagan? Kabataang magiging matibay na sandigan ng katuwiran at katotohanan. Kabataang may angking talino at galing. Kabataang handang mag-alay ng lakas at kakayahan para sa bayan. Mga minamahal kong mag-aral, hindi tayo magtatapos sa pagtanggap ng inyong medalya at parangal ngayong gabi. Bagkus ito ay isang hudyat ng isang simula at mas higit na malalim at malawak na responsibilidad. Responsibilidad hindi lamang sa inyong sarili, kundi sa inyong pamilya, sa inyong paaralan, at sa inyong bayan. Ang kaligayahan at sayang dulot ng inyong tagumpay ay magsilbinawang gabay upang kayo ay higit na magsumikap na palaguin ang inyong kaalaman, linangin ang inyong galing, at tuklasin ang iba pa ninyong kakayahan. Ang tagumpay at karangalang inyong nakamtan ay huwag sanang maging daan upang kayo ay magyabang, magmataas, o ituring ang sariling higit kesa iba. Bagkus higit pa tayong maging mapagpakumbaba, maging payak, maging pagpapala, at maging inspirasyon sa buhay ng iba. Kaming mga nariritong naging saksi sa inyong tagumpay, inyong mga magulang, mga guro, mga kaibigan, kaming nasa pamahalaan. Sa inyong pagiging mabuting mag-aral, lahat kami ay aasa na hindi ninyo kami bibiguin. Pressure, di ba? Kaakibat ang aming panalangin na sa bawat hakbang ng inyong landasin, ang patnubay at gabay ng Diyos ay laging nasa atin. Mga minamahal kong mag-aaral, saan man kayo makarating, anuman ang inyong maabot, huwag na huwag ninyong kalilimutang lumingon sa inyong pinanggalingan. Sa mga taong naging bahagi ng inyong tagumpay, sa paaralang naging hulmahan ng inyong pagkatao, sa mga gurong nagpunyagi upang kayo ay matuto, sa inyong mga magulang na hindi sapat ang tanging pasasalamat, sa lahat ng kanilang sakripisyo, ng kanilang pagsusumikap, ng kanilang pagkalinga, at ng kanilang pagmamahal. Higit sa lahat, laging isa puso ang palagiang pasasalamat sa tulong, patnubay, at pagpapala ng may kapal. At sa panahon ng katuparan ng inyong mga pangarap, isang pakiusap mula sa akin, pakitandaan po sana. Huwag po sana ninyong ipagkait ang anumang inyong maaaring maiambag sa ating komunidad. Naway kaisa namin kayo sa aming layunin sa pagsusulong ng isang masaya, mapayapa at maunlad na bayan. Kami ay patuloy na aasa na gagamitin ang inyong talino, lakas at kakayahan, hindi lamang sa pag-unlad ng inyong sarili, ng inyong pamilya, kundi upang makatulong sa paglikha ng magandang bukas para sa lahat. Bilang pagtatapos, baunin ninyo ang aking panalangin, ang panalangin ng inyong mga guro, ang panalangin ng inyong mga magulang para sa inyong patuloy na tagumpay sa dako ng inyong paglalakbay. Isang maalab na pagbati po. Congratulations. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Alright, mabuhay ang gabi ng parangal at pagkilala sa mga natatanging mag-aaral ng Briggs Point. And once again, bigyan po natin ng masigabong palakpakan, Mr. Edgar P. Lacandaso, Municipal Administrator. And now, it is our honor to express our deepest gratitude to our esteemed guest speaker for sharing his invaluable insights and expertise with us tonight. As a token of appreciation for his time, effort, and inspiring presentation, we would like to present our guest speaker, Mr. Edgar P. Lacandaso, with a certificate of recognition. And to award the certificate of recognition, may I request to please proceed on stage, Mr. Mark Darrell T. Agnas, Administrative Assistant 4, and Mr. Ireneo Maisri Campo III, Administrative Assistant 4, and the Community Affairs Division Designate. And at this moment of time, let me read the content of the certificate first. Republic of the Philippines, Province of Palawan, Municipality of Briggs Point, Office of Municipal Mayor Community Affairs Division, Certificate of Appreciation. It is with great pleasure and sincere appreciation that we extend this certificate to Mr. Edgar P. Lacandaso. This certificate is awarded to grateful recognition of their invaluable presence and inspirational message as guest speaker during the awarding ceremony of the 10 outstanding students of Briggs Point 2025. His words served not only to celebrate the achievements of our student leaders, but also to ignite the passion for excellence, leadership, and purpose in the hearts of the youth of Briggs Point. With sincere appreciation, the local government unit of Briggs Point, through the Community Affairs Division, presents this certificate as a token of our heartfelt thanks. Given this important day of April 2025 at Briggs Point, Palawan, Signed by Mr. Ireneo Maisri Campo III, Community Affairs Officer Designate, Administrative Assistant for, and Honorable Cesario R. Benedito Jr., the Municipal Mayor of Briggs Point. Certificate of Appreciation is presented to Mr. Edgar P. Lacandaso. All right, thank you so much to our guest speaker for tonight. And now, as we continue our celebration tonight, we would like to take a moment to reflect on the values and principles that guides us. It is our pleasure to welcome our Municipal Vice Mayor to share an inspirational message with us. Please join me in welcoming her to stage as she is about to share words of encouragement and inspiration that will surely motivate and uplift us all tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together, Honorable Attorney Mary Jane de Los Angeles Feliciano.
Magandang gabi po sa lahat. Parang nahiya ako sumunod magsalita kay admin. Sabi niya, hindi mo raw agad sinabi, Neo, na siya palang guest speaker. Ngayon mo lang daw sinabi. Pero sa tingin ko, isang linggo na. Pero magaling talaga siya magsalita. Talagang hindi lang magaling magtalumpati, magaling tumula. Kaya nalala ko tuloy nung nakaraang eleksyon. Ay masaya kami dahil siya yung aming MC sa lahat ng aming mga pag-iikot sa barangay. At napakahusay talaga ng ating administrator na siya din naman ang author ng ordinansa sa pagbibigay ng parangal sa mga natatanging mag-aaral ng Brooks Point. Sa ating mga guro, sa mga principal, sa mga magulang, sa mga kawani ng pamahalaan, kay Mayor Benedito, at ganoon din sa ating mga Sangguniang Bayan members, at sa mga department heads, sa ating mga bibigyan ng parangal ngayong gabi, at sa lahat ng mga bisita, magandang gabi po sa lahat. Ngayon ko lang talaga nalaman na ako ay kasama sa programang ito, at mayroon palang ganitong programa ngayong gabi. Katatapos lang naming mangampanya, at nakita ko sa aking cellphone, uy, meron palang awarding ngayong gabi at kasama ako sa programa. Kaya agad-agad akong umuwi ng bahay para magpalit ng damit at magpabango. Kasi sa maghapon namin sa kalsada ay talagang amoy pawis. Kaya kailangan ko maligo ng pabango. Pero ako po ay natutuwa na bagamat pagod, pero talagang minabuti kong pumunta pa rin dito kasi ang gabing ito ay napakahalaga sa ating mga guro, sa ating mga magulang na nandirito ang kanilang mga anak para tumanggap ng award na ito. Ang award na ito ay isang malaking karangalan at isang malaking responsibilidad. Bukod siyempre sa inyong matatanggap na 10,000 pesos ba yan, admin? Ang nakalagay doon sa ating ordinansa, di ba? 10,000 pesos. Ay may mga medalya pa kayong tatanggapin at mga plaque na ilalagay ninyo sa inyong tahanan at ilalagay ninyo sa inyong Facebook, syempre. At nandyan na yan habang buhay. Kaya sabi ko, ito ay isang hamon at isang responsibilidad. Kasi alam nyo ba, sa bawat taon, kung meron kayong gawing hindi tama, ang laging sasabihin ng mga tao, uy, awardee yan, di ba? Kahit ngayong valedictorian ka sa klase, after 5 years, after 10 years, kahit ilang taon na ang magdaan, at merong hindi magandang nangyari, laging sasabihin ng tao, bakit ganun ang nangyari? Eh di ba, valedictorian yan? Di ba, student leader yan? Di ba, awardee yan? Kaya alam nyo, mga anak, yung tatanggap ngayon ng mga awards at recognition, kailangan maging consistent kayo. Kaya sabi ko, ito ay responsibilidad na nadadalhin nyo, pero magandang responsibilidad. May pressure nga, sabi ni admin, pero magandang pressure na lagi mong itatama ang mga desisyon na gagawin mo ay dapat laging tama. Mayroon na kaming may kakilala ako noon na isang student leader. Ang taas-taas ng expectations namin sa kanya. Pero ngayon, parang pag nakikita ko siya, parang anong nangyari? Noong kabataan niya ay napakahusay niya, napakagaling niyang leader. Pero bakit hindi na siya, para bang nakontento na siya na magaling siya noong siya ay bata pa? Hindi po, dapat. Ito, magaling na kayo, pero dapat tuloy-tuloy na mas magaling pa kayo. Talagang kailangan laging nagle-level up hanggang sa pagtanda. At alam ko ang award na ito ay hindi lang sa academics. Kung hindi pinili kayo sa totality ng inyong pagkatao, maging ng inyong mga values at prinsipyo. At laging magiging tama ang prinsipyo kung yung mga desisyon natin ay hindi pang sarili. Laging for the common good. Kahit minsan ay isang sakripisyo, pero kung laging kabutihan ng nakararami ng lahat, yung lagi mong magiging basihan sa mga gagawin mong desisyon, laging tama yon. Kasi sabi ko, kagaya ng ating Panginoong Hesus, siya yung ating modelo. Nasa Kanya na lahat, kapangyarihan, kayamanan, anak ng Diyos, pero nagkatawang lupa, nandito para maging tagapagligtas natin, nagsakripisyo ng Kanyang sariling buhay. Kaya mga anak, para hanggang sa pagtanda, maging tama yung inyong magiging desisyon. Pag magdi-decide tayo, hindi lagi yung sarili natin kung ano yung mabuti sa sarili. Dapat lagi nating isipin ano ang mabuti sa lahat. Kahit mahirap, kahit sakripisyo, pero yun lagi ang tama. At yun yung example na ibinigay sa atin. So yun din yung aking hamon sa inyong lahat na tatanggap ngayon ng aming pagkilala na gawin nyo lagi ang mabuti at huwag kayong makontento sa award na tinanggap nyo ngayong gabi. Kung hindi, maging hamon pa ito sa inyo na pag-igihin pa sa mga darating pang taon sa inyong buhay. At kung dumating din yung panahon na kayo ay tawagin upang maglingkod sa ating bayan, gawin ninyo ang laging makabubuti sa nakararami at hindi yung pangsarili. Magandang gabi po sa inyo at congratulations po sa mga magulang, sa mga guro, at higit sa lahat sa ating mga mag-aaral. Pagpalain po tayo ng Panginoon. Maraming salamat.
Alright, maraming salamat sa ating butihin at masipag na Municipal Vice Mayor. Once again, palakpakan po natin, Honorable Attorney Mary Jane de Los Angeles Feliciano. And now, the highlight of our event is now here, and we get to recognize and celebrate the outstanding achievements of our awardees. It is our pleasure to award a certificate, medals, plaques, and a cash prize for their exceptional achievement, contribution as an exceptional student of Municipality of Brooks Point, Palawan. And now, let's start with the awarding of Certificate of Recognition and Medals Distinction to the runners-up Junior High School, and also the awarding of plaques of recognition, cash prize, and medal of distinction to the awardees of 10 outstanding students of Brooks Point Senior High School. And to receive your certificate, your awards, your medals, plaques, and cash prize. Okay, punta pa tayo sa gitna on the red carpet. Kasama po lahat po ng mga students, junior high school, and also together with your parents. Again, may request the students, the awardees, together with their parents, to please be on the red carpet po and make a line. Okay, like what I have said earlier, we have to start with the awarding of certificate of recognition and medal distinction to the runners-up junior high school. And to award the certificate of recognition, may I request to please be on the stage our Municipal Vice Mayor, palakpakan po natin, Honorable Attorney Mary Jean D. Feliciano, and also the representative of our Municipal Mayor, Ma'am Mary Jane Cuarte, and also our Executive Secretary, we have Sir Ton Abingosa, and also we have also to award the certificate, we have Dr. Abigail Macaranas, member of the Board of Judges, and also the last one, we have Mr. Christian Del Castillo, Board of Judges po. And to award the certificate of recognition, now at this moment of time, let me read the content of the certificate first. Republic of the Philippines, Province of Palawan, Municipality of Riggs Point, Office of the Municipal Mayor, Community Affairs Division, Certificate of Recognition. It is with great pleasure and sincere appreciation that we extend this certificate to the awardee. Runners-up, 10 outstanding student of Riggs Point 2025 Junior High School. This certificate is awarded to individuals who have shown commendable performance in academics, leadership, and active participation in community and school initiatives. These efforts, determination, and dedication have distinguished them among their peers and contributed meaningfully to the youth sector of Riggs Point. With great pride, the local government unit of Riggs Point, through the Community Affairs Division, acknowledges their achievement and encourages them to continue striving for excellence and leadership. Given this important day of April 2025 at Riggs Point, Palawan, signed by Mr. Ireneo A. Maestri Campo III, Community Affairs Officer Designate, Administrative Assistant 4, Honorable Cesario R. Benedito Jr., Municipal Mayor of Riggs Point, Palawan. Certificate of Recognition is awarded to Mr. John Craig Ilagan. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Mr. John Craig Ilagan together with his parents. The same certificate of recognition is awarded to Bini Alfea Shane Yu Chikre. And along with her parents. The same certificate of recognition is awarded to Bining Isha Nicole El Carte. And along with her parent. same certificate of recognition is awarded to Bini Bining Lauren Joy Salin together with her parent. The same certificate of recognition is awarded to Penelope B. Adonis together with her parent. All right, thank you so much, runners-up. And now let's proceed to the awarding of plaques of recognition, cash prize, and medal of distinction to the awardees of 10 outstanding students of Briggs Point Junior High School. We have Bini Bining Ashley Makma with her parent. The same award is presented to Bini Bining Camille Jaya de la Torre with her parent. And same award is presented to Bini Bining Patricia May Socrates. The same award is presented to Bini Bining Felicity Ave Berba. And together with her parents. The same award is presented to Bini Bining Geza Cataluna. The same award is presented to you, Mr. Jasper E. Ancheta. And same award of recognition is presented to Mr. John Mark Vergenio. The same award is presented to you, Binibining Richelle Ann M. Basanjes. The same award is presented to Miss Ryu Jane O. Sanchez. The same award of recognition is presented to Binibining City, Norvisa Flora. At this moment of time, let's award the best in interview during the evaluation. Sino kaya ang ating best in interview? For junior high school, goes to Mr. John Craig Ilagan. All right, thank you so much to our junior high school runners-up and also the top 10 outstanding students of Briggs Point 2025 Junior High School. And at this moment of time, and at this moment of time, And at this moment of time, we would like to take a moment of acknowledgement and the importance of support and encouragement in every milestone and journey as well. It is our pleasure to welcome the Municipal Mayor of Briggs Point to share a message of support and encouragement with us. Please join me in welcoming him as he is about to bring a words of motivation and inspiration to help us continue striving for excellence. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome the representative of our Municipal Mayor, Ma'am Mary Jane Cuarte.
Thank you, sir. Kanina pa ako excited din na marinig lagi ang boses mo. And sabi po ng aking sir, huwag ka nang bumalik sa upuan mo. At ikaw yung magsasalita, sir. Thank you, Sir Ed. And Sir Neo, ito ay hold up ata, no? Sige. By the way po, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Gusto ko man tularan po ang aking Sir Ed sa kanyang magaling na pagtatagalog, pero hindi ko kaya. Magandang gabi pong muli. Mataas po na paggalang po para sa ating pong Vice Mayor. Wala pong iba ang ating Mary Jane D. Feliciano at Attorney Jean, in short. Magandang gabi po, Vice. At siyempre po, pangalawang mataas po na paggalang sa katabi po ng ating Vice Mayor, ang aming Municipal Administrator, Sir Ed. Sa akin pong Sir Ton Abingosa. Magandang gabi po and thank you sa isang bonggang gabi na naman na naihanda po ni Sir Neo and staff. Sir Ne, thank you sa patuloy mong paggabay at patuloy mo pong pagmagandang implementasyon po sa programang po na pangunguna na nasa pamagitan po ni Sir Ed nung siya pa ay naging Sangguniang Bayan members. Akalam ko. Thank you, Sir Ne. At muli po itong nabuhay na maraming taon. At last year pa po nung si Mary Jean ay may ganito na rin. Ngunit tinuloy-tuloy mo. Thank you. At ito ay malaking tulong po bilang pagpapakilala at bilang pabatid po sa bayan ng Brooks Point na mga kabataan. Hindi lamang po sa galing sa eskwelahan, kundi magaling po sa lahat ng bagay dahil po ang kanilang nakamit po na karangalan ay dumaan po sa maraming paraanan at maraming pong mga judge or maraming pong mga panel na dinaanan para po sila ay makakamit at makaroon po ng ganitong karangalan. Sana po sa mga kabataan na nagkaroon po ng ganitong mataas na pagkikilala sa inyong kaalaman, karunungan, huwag niyo pong kakalimutan, ako po ay nakikiusap na ang lahat ay lingunin ninyo ang inyong mga mahal na guro. Pwede po ba? Palakpak naman po dyan sa nagkaroon ng award. Di ba po? Alam namin na kayo ay may sariling kakayanan, galing sa lahi o sariling sikap, ngunit ito ay malaking ambag ang inyong mga guro. Tama po ba? Mga nagkamit ng karangalan, sino pong agree na ang inyong mga guro ay malaking bahagi ng inyong kaalaman at malaking tulong at gabay sa inyo pag makamit ang inyong tagumpay ngayong gabi? Lahat po ba? Pakipalakpak naman po dyan yung mga estudyante. Sige po, hindi ko na pahabain pa. In behalf po, pinaunahan ko na pong aking sarili sa pagsalita. Excited po ako. Sa behalf po ng ating Municipal Mayor, alam ko po, nabatid nyo rin, tulad din po ng sabi ni Vice, napaka-busy po nila ngayon. Alam ko po na lahat tayo ay naunawaan po natin kanilang mga sitwasyon. Ngunit nandito po kami, kasama po ng aming Municipal Administrator para magsuporta sa programang ito. Muli po sa mga guro na naggabay at nagbigay ng mga karunungan sa mga kaalaman at katagumpayan ng anumang estudyante sa larangan ng pag-aaral. Maraming salamat pong muli. At God bless po. Gora po, Brooks Point.
All right, once again, Ma'am Mary Jane Guarte. Okay, at this moment of time, let's proceed again to the awarding of Certificate of Recognitions and Medals, distinction to the runners-up senior high school, and also we have the awarding of plaques of recognition, cash prize, and medal of distinction to the awardees of 10 outstanding students of Brooks Point Senior High School. And this time, may request our award presenter kanina to please proceed on the stage together with our guest speaker for tonight. And also, kapag tinawag ko po ang pangalan ng ating mga awardees from senior high school, ang kanila pong mga principals po ay magsama na rin po to proceed po sa ating stage. Okay, once again, kasama po kapag tinawag ko po ang pangalan ng ating mga awardees, kasama po ang kanilang mga principals. And to award a certificate of recognition, let me read the content first. Republic of the Philippines Province of Palawan, Municipality of Brooks Point, Office of Municipal Mayor Community Affairs Division, Certificate of Recognition. It is with great pleasure and sincere appreciation that we extend this certificate to the awardee. Runners-up, 10 outstanding students of Brooks Point 2025 Senior High School. This certificate is awarded to the individuals who have shown commendable performance in academics, leadership, and active participation in community and school initiatives. Their efforts, determination, and dedication have distinguished them among their peers and contributed meaningfully to the youth sector of Brooks Point. With great pride, the local government unit of Brooks Point, through the Community Affairs Division, acknowledges their achievements and encourages them to continue striving for excellence and leadership. Given this important day of April 2025 at Brooks Point, Palawan, assigned by Mr. Ireneo A. Maestri Campo III, Community Affairs Officer Designate, Administrative Assistant 4. Honorable Cesario R. Benedito Jr., Municipal Mayor of Brooks Point, Palawan. Certificate of recognition is presented to Binibining Althea Leo de la Torre, together with her parents and also the principal of the awardee. The same certificate is awarded to Aris Juan D. Dasilio, together with his parents and also the principals. All right, calling the attention of the principal of Mr. Dasilio, please proceed on the stage. The same certificate of recognition is awarded to Bini Gia Angela de la Cruz, together with her parents and the principal. The same certificate of recognition is awarded to Bini Bini Jasmine Grace Q. Consamino. And same certificate of recognition for runners-up senior high school. Bini Bini Jolin Balsomo. All right, once again, congratulations, runners-up. And now let's award the plaques of recognition, cash prize, and medal of distinction to the awardees of 10 outstanding students of Brooks Point. Beginning with Bini Bini France, Clarence Hakuela. Okay, sorry, Mr. France, Clarence Hakuela. The same award is presented to Bini Bini Gwyneth Divine Mercader. And same award goes to Bini Bini Jasmine F. Venegas. Together with her parents and also the principal. And same award goes to Bini Bini Jovelyn May Vepran. And same award goes to Mr. Lionel John Nakwa. Together with his parents and also the school principal. The same award is presented to Binibining Maria Lilibeth D. Artuza. The same award goes to Muhammad Faiz Cabrido. The same award goes to Binibining Princess Lorraine Nuhay. Together with her parents and the representative of the school principal of Briggs Point National High School. The same certificate goes to same and same award goes to Binibining Sheila May Oungo. And the last but not the least, the same award goes to Binibining Zaira Bauzon. And now, let us award the certificate of recognition and the medal also for the Best in Interview for Senior High School. Best in Interview goes to Mr. Franz Clarence Hachuela. All right, ladies and gentlemen, congratulations to our top 10 students of Briggs Point Senior High School. And now, let's proceed to the awarding of Certificate of Participation to the participating schools. At kapag tinawag ko po ang inyong mga schools, kindly proceed po sa ating stage ang mga principals and also the staff and the faculty. This time, at this moment of time, let me read the content of the certificate first. Republic of the Philippines, Province of Palawan, Municipality of Brooks Point, Office of Municipal Mayor, Community Affairs Division, Certificate of Participation. It is with great pleasure and sincere appreciation that we extend this certificate to the awardee for its valuable participation in the 10 Outstanding Student of Brooks Point 2025. This certificate is awarded in recognition of your school's active support and participation in the conduct of the 10 Outstanding Students of Brooks Point 2025. Your contribution in nominating and guiding outstanding student reflects your commitment to promoting academic excellence, leadership, and civic responsibility among the youth. Sincere appreciation, the local government unit of Brooks Point through the Community Affairs Division presents this certificate to honor your school's involvement and continued support of youth development program given this important day of April 2025 at Brooks Point, Palawan. Signed by Mr. Ireneo A. Maestri Campo III, Community Affairs Officer Designate, Administrative Assistant 4, and Honorable Cesario R. Benedito Jr., Municipal Mayor of Brooks Point, Palawan. Certificate of Participation is awarded to Wenceslao Villapa National High School. The same certificate of recognition is awarded to the Sacred Heart of Jesus High School. The same certificate of recognition is awarded to Maasin National High School. Once again, Maasin National High School. The same certificate of recognition is awarded to Vito Pichanco Memorial National High School. And also we would like to acknowledge the principal, right sir? The principal of Vito Pichanco Memorial National High School. Palakpakan po natin Ma'am Leia S. Nonjes. And same certificate of recognition is awarded to Malis National High School. The same certificate of recognition is awarded to Governor Alfredo Abueg Sr. National Technical Vocational Memorial High School. And also, I would like to acknowledge the school principal, Mr. J.M. Asporias. And same certificate of recognition is awarded to Ipinan National High School. And we have here for tonight their principal. We have Ma'am Leia Rondael. And same certificate of recognition is awarded to Emilio Taha National High School. And with their school principal, we have Ma'am Norilsa T. Pakuldas. Same certificate of recognition is awarded to Brooks Point National High School Advisor and Principal Alfredo D. Labor. The same certificate of recognition is awarded to Southern Palawan Christian Academy. Advisor and Principal, Miss Anime M. Carandang. The same certificate of recognition is awarded to Samariñana National High School with their advisor and principal, Mr. Ibrahim J. Taha. Alright, thank you so much sa ating mga participating schools for the awarding night of 10 outstanding students of Brooks Point 2025. And at this moment of time, before we proceed to the conclusion of this event, I would like to acknowledge and I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to our Selection and Evaluation Committee, panel of the Board of Judges, and tabulator. We have, palakpakan po natin pag binanggit ko ang pangalan, Ma'am Tadia Española. And also we have Attorney Magna Asis, Mr. Christian Cayo del Castillo, Sir Darius Redondo, Ma'am Jennifer B. Abigar, Mr. Darwin O. Calon, Ma'am Emma S. Tabangay, and Dr. Abigail Macaranas. And also I would like to extend my sincere gratitude for tonight to our guest speaker and to our inspirational message presenter. We have our administrative assistant for and representative of our municipal mayor. Bigyan po natin ng mga sigabong palakpakan, Ma'am Mary Jane B. Cuarte. And also we have here for tonight, Sir Edgar Lacandaso. And also we have our municipal vice mayor. We have Honorable Attorney Mary Jane de Los Angeles Feliciano. And also our executive secretary, we have Mr. Bernardo Abingosa. Ayan, once again, congratulations sa ating mga magagaling at outstanding students of Briggs Point, Palawan. And as we bring our event to a conclusion, it is fit that we hear some final thoughts from someone who has been instrumental in its success. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Mark Darrell T. Agnas, Administrative Assistant to deliver the closing remarks. A round of applause, please.
A pleasant evening to all of us, to our beloved teacher, principal, good evening. To our Vice Mayor, Attorney Mary Jean De Feliciano, Vice, good evening. To our guest speaker, Mr. Edgar Pilacandazo, good evening. To our Executive Assistant, Sir Ton Abingosa. To our Ma'am Jane ng Mayor's Office, Ma'am, good evening. Siyempre, lalo tigit sa lahat sa ating mga estudyante, maraming salamat and advance congratulations po sa inyong lahat. Palakpak naman po dyan. Ngayong gabi, kung sa tingin po ninyo, this is your last, nagkakamali po kayo. For me, as a student before, this is your first step to your journey. Huwag na huwag po ninyong kakalimutan yung mga pagsubok na inyong pinagdaanan bago nyo po nakamit itong tagumpay po na ito. Sa inyong mga kabataan, sabi nga ni Dr. Jose Perizal, kayo ang pag-asa ng bayan, then so be it. Ngayong gabi, hindi ko na po papahabain pa. I would just to say some quotes to you guys, lalo tigit sa mga estudyante. Yung pangarap ninyo na meron kayo ngayon, it will never stop. It will still go on until you finally be satisfied. So yun lang po, maraming salamat. Advance congratulations. Alam namin na graduation din ng mga ibang schools, kaya wala po sila ngayon. But then, we're glad, we're happy na nandito po ang halos lahat po ng mga inibitahan po naming school, teacher, student, and syempre lalo tigit yung ating mga parents. Maraming salamat po and God bless po sa ating lahat. Ingat po tayo mamaya pag-uwi. Maraming salamat po. Good evening.
All right, thank you so much, sir. And now, tonight we gather to celebrate the remarkable accomplishments of the 10 outstanding students of Briggs Point. These exceptional individuals have demonstrated excellence in academics, leadership, and community service, embodying the values that our institutions holds dear. To each of our awardees, I offer my warmest congratulations. Your hard work, dedication, and perseverance have paid off, and you should be incredibly proud of your achievements. You are role models for your peers and inspiration to younger students. May this recognition serve as a milestone in your journey, motivating you to continue striving for excellence in all your endeavors. Congratulations once again to the top 10 students of Briggs Point, Palawan. Once again, I am Mr. Maurilio B. Pilidi Jr., your host, now signing off.
So thank you po yung mga gusto po mag-photo ops, pwede na po mag-photo ops. Then nagpe-prepare na rin po ng food doon po sa likuran. So mauna po muna yung ating mga principal at mga teachers po. Thank you. Kasama na po yung ating pong mga local officials at mga guests po. Then after po nila, pwede na po yung ating mga awardees. Then yung mga parents po. Thank you.
Ayan, so sa mga nais pong mag-photo opt, pwede po kayong pumunta sa ating stage to have a remembrance in celebrating and awarding ceremony for top 10 students of Briggs Point 2025. Okay, wag po nating sayangin ang pagkakataon. Alam ko, napakaganda ng ating entablado ngayong gabi. Okay, ito po ay para sa lahat. At syempre sa mga nagugutom na po at kumakalam na ang kanilang mga tiyan, may mga nakahanda pong pagkain para sa ating lahat. Mauna po, like what Sir Neo said, mauna po ang ating mga school principals, faculty, and staff, the advisors na narito po ngayon kasama natin ngayong gabi. And after them, okay, proceed na po tayo sa ating mga awardees, sa ating mga students for tonight na kasama natin. And sa ating mga visitors, yan. And sa ating guest speaker, sa ating mga bisita, local government employees po na nandito ngayong gabi, proceed na rin po tayo sa ating table for dining. And also, I would like to announce, syempre nabagan ko kanina, meron pong mga cash prizes ang ating mga awardees. But at this moment of time, okay, mag-a-announce lang po at i-update lang po tayo ng ating community affairs kung kailan po magre-release ang ating municipal treasury. Okay, like what I have said earlier, may matatanggap po ang ating mga awardees ng cash prize. Not just medals, plaques, and certificates of recognition. Again, mag-a-announce lang po ang ating municipal treasury and mag-a-update din po sa inyo sa ating mga school heads, sa ating mga school advisor. Mag-a-announce lang po, mag-a-update lang po ang ating community affairs. Kung kailan po ang release po ng ating mga cash prizes dahil po sa mahal